What kind of performance will it have if it is installed on a car with a tire made of a total of 400 tires? The front is a generation of tires that have been collected for more than half a year, and then they are all poured out. After picking out the new tires, draw a mark on the iron plate around the wheels and place the tires evenly on the mark. After the wheels are lined up, weld them together first, and then arrange the rusty tires according to the size of the tires, then fix it with the tires of the wheels and form the surface shape of the tires. After that, we need to cut off the excess part around it to make it into a round plate. The front is finished, and the open surface is welded along the side. In the end, the shape of half of the tire is made, and the tires are just 400. Next, open the hole in the middle that needs to be threaded, and weld the wheel rim plate on it. After the work is done, spray a layer of paint on the surface for beauty, and use white and black to distinguish the wheels and tires. In this way, the tires made of tires are successfully installed on the car. The engine can be seen on the flat surface, and there is no problem when driving on the flat surface. It's just a little bit of a bump. This is also because the tires are not very hard. When he drove to the outside of the city, the tires provided a huge friction point on the road full of snow, so that the car could drive steadily on the snow. But this is also a place where the snow is not deep. Once the snow layer is thick, there will still be the phenomenon of slippage. The tire that keeps spinning can only be turned around.